Well, so, hey guys, it's Simon's AJ here, and today we are on the internet. We are because, everyone's saying hello world, including me, the fabulous skeleton Seattle, in the Eagle hat, yeah. And we are going to, we are on the internet, everyone. So, hi, welcome to Animal Jam. And so, join and follow us in the server Rocky at 3:30 p.m. and anytime 3:30 p.m. or past. So, in Eastern time. So come on, step right down to the world Rocky. You can be, if Peck introduces you, just skip it. And, go and hop on the ice. Remember, it's free. Everyone should do it. Come on. Do it. Just do it. Bye.